Hey guys, it's time to get back into some Lego puzzles. This one is a Lego puzzle box. I was trying to make it out of the same color, but I kind of didn't have enough pieces. So it's a fairly easy puzzle, and in fact if you just tilt it, you'll see that one of the pieces will come out automatically. But that doesn't really help you get the rest of the puzzle sorted. So what you need to do is know the trick to this puzzle. So if we pull this out, then it actually frees up this piece over here. So we can pull this piece out. Oh, hang on, it doesn't go that way. So maybe it goes this way. Aha! So we can take this piece out. Now we're closer to solving this puzzle. But there is one more piece. And if we actually just slide this piece to the side, then we can push out the tray underneath. Like that. So you can go ahead and spend your money, and when you want to save it inside your puzzle, well, you go ahead and pop it in like that. Now, I don't know if you can see down there, but you've got to line up the slot to push it back in. Then that piece goes back. And then we put this piece in like that. Finally, we push this piece over and the puzzle is solved. But if you want to see how to make this puzzle box, well, leave a comment below and don't forget to like. And if I get enough, I'll put together another video showing you how to make this cool Lego puzzle box. That's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe and bye for now.